What's going on YouTube? This is Marcos from Comet Pressure Washer, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, we're going to do some concrete cleaning right here on this patio. Let's get into the video.
Okay. Even the sun goes down. Heroes eventually die. Horoscopes often lie, and sometimes why. Nothing is for show, nothing is for certain. Nothing lasts forever, but until they close the curtain. It's him and I, a Quim and I.
Okay, real quick, just a small concrete pad, like it's a 10 by 10, so nothing special about this. We're just gonna go ahead and get this clean. And after that, we're gonna wrap up this video. Let's get into it. Okay, I have everything clean, as you can see, but as you look down, you see all these black spots and stuff like that. You're wondering, why is that not coming up? Put pressure on it and everything and it's still not coming up. So I'm gonna show you how to get it up. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take our pump sprayer and we're gonna fill it up with a strong SH mix. Like maybe I got it like a 5%, you know, 4 or 5% mix in it, but it's coming straight out of the pump sprayer. So when I go down and apply this, we're gonna just let this sit and it should fade away. All right, guys, I'm finished with the concrete wash. Let's go ahead and look at it real quick to see what the results are. All right, guys, this is the results of me cleaning this little concrete pad. And it's like I said, it was a 10 by 10. Probably took every bit of 10 minutes or so to do this or so. I'm not too sure. Didn't take long though. But this is the results and stuff like that. I did a post treatment with the pump sprayer, so that way all them black spots that you've seen on the concrete, they are gone now, because like I said, I use a heavy concentrated post treatment with the pump sprayer. So if I have like maybe a 3% in that pump sprayer, it's going to be 3% come out. So if I have a 5, 6, or 7% in the pump sprayer, that's exactly what's coming out. So that's the good thing about using a pump sprayer over downstreaming or either using the X-Jet. You're going to have a stronger mix coming out. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that you found this video entertaining. If not, I hope that you learned something from it. If you didn't, go back and look at the video because you skipped over the good parts. Once again, if you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing to the channel. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know my next video comes out. Hey, this is Marcos from K&F Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, K&F.